PNI IPMAX POE5 can be controlled locally or remotely from mobile devices through the XMI application compatible with Android and iOS, and from the PC through the general CMS software. The CMS software installation file can be found on the CD included in the package or can be downloaded from our website on the product page download section. PNI IPMAX POE5 includes the recording unit, NVR, and 4 POE cameras that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Both the NVR and the cameras have a metal case. Record live video and audio with the 4 POE 1920p 5-megapixel cameras with built-in microphone. You will get incredibly bright and clear images in real colors. You can see up to 30 meters in the dark with the 18 special IR LEDs. The system supports the connection of 8 5-megapixel POE cameras or the network connection of 8 cameras with a maximum IP of 5 megapixel. The true plug-and-play configuration, very easy to install, configure and control. You can connect several types of monitors, the device being equipped with HDMI and VGA output. Only a single Ethernet cable is required to simultaneously transmit video signal to the NVR and power to the cameras. Safe, stable and reliable transmission. PNI IPMAX POE5 identifies the human presence and saves different hypostases of the face, based on which the user will be able to select the video recordings or activate the alarm. PNI IPMAX POE5 supports connecting a maximum 8 TB hard drive.